Hey, they're design enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into what might just be the future of design. Hang on to your creative hats because this is mind-blowing. Today, we're diving deep into the AI-powered wonder of web design, Relume.io. When you hop onto Relume.io, you're not just entering a design tool, you're stepping into the future of website design. Type in your dream website description. I'm going for a website that sells minimal jewelry as an e-commerce platform. And watch the magic unfold. Instead of bombarding you with design choices immediately, Relume takes you on an organized journey. A sitemap, tailored for your site description. You can even decide the number of pages. But wait, it's not just about a sitemap. You can deep dive into each section's own sitemap, making your site structure robust and intuitive. Alright, satisfied with your sitemap? Time for wireframes. Watch as Relume.io crafts wireframes that align perfectly with your described theme. The flexibility is endless. And if you're a content creator fretting about copy, just navigate to the right. This platform can generate captivating copy tailored to your needs. Design collaboration is a breeze with Relume.io. Directly export your genius creations to Figma or Webflow. Yes, it's that integrated. Sharing. Sorted. With just a few clicks, you can share view-only links with your team or clients. Every section connects to a pre-designed layout, giving you insights and control. Not feeling a certain design? The Shuffle feature regenerates designs instantaneously, keeping your requirements intact. And for our Figma enthusiasts, the magic of Relume.io extends there too. From AI-driven copywriting to a sync design library, they've got plugins to supercharge your Figma design flow. So, what's the verdict? Relume.io might just be reshaping the web design horizon, blending AI with human creativity. Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you loved this sneak peek into the future of design, smash that like button and subscribe for more.